Hi guys, it's Tabby Casto, London-based makeup artist and manicurist, and today I'm going to share my unboxing and review of the Zephyros dust collector from taftsproducts.co.uk. So this is a professional dust collector for nail technicians, and it can be used for both kind of small amounts of dust created from natural nail filing or excessive amounts of dust created from filing the surface of press-on nail tips or using an e-file. I do natural nails, so I kind of felt like I needed something going forward in the new norm. And here I'm just unboxing 100 filters, which I bought for £32. A pack comes with 10 in them, and they're usually £7 a pack. So I just went ahead and bought some spare filters, which you can see here. But actually, when you purchase the Zephyros dust collector, it does come with 30 spare filters already, so you can just get started with that. And it came really quickly with DPD courier services, and everything packaged really well, on time, so I was really happy with the customer service from Tafts. And here I'm just opening the dust collector box, which when you purchase it and open it, it just comes with the actual dust collector itself and 30 filters and then the UK adapter. So those are the filters again. And you can see the brushed pink Zephyros dust collector, which I've gone for because pink is my favorite color. And then these are the adapters, which are really easy to put together. You just take them both out, and you can see there's air vents on all sides of the unit. So this is made in Korea, and it says that it is splash proof, but I am going to be using a separate kind of armrest so customers don't scratch their bracelets and jewelry on the surface of it. And the back has the manufacturer information there. And then, yeah, the little on button is just this little toggle on the side. So I'm just setting it up now, getting the adapter out. That's the first one in the first Ziploc baggie. It's really decent that they've created a UK adapter, because a lot of things that you get from abroad don't come with the right adapters, which is really frustrating. So you just plug those two in together, and then you're kind of ready to go. So this little plug goes into the corner here, and there's only one place to put it, so there's no confusion there. And then you would plug the other side into the wall and get your filter ready, which needs to be white side facing down. And there's two little grooves there which help the filter to stay in place. Then I'm just going to turn on the dust collector. And I usually start with like a light, like medium kind of airflow when I'm doing either natural nails. And you can see that it just really does hold the filter into place. And you know, even if you're just using it on medium setting, it does the job really. And then, you know, you can just keep your lungs healthy. And then I'm going to show you turning it up a little bit. Kind of gives even more pressure, which is ideal if you're using an e-file. And then you can obviously turn it off. And then this is filing a press-on nail tip. So I sell press-on nails on my Etsy shop, Tabitha, and this creates so much dust, so it's really bad for the lungs. And I just wanted to do this to show you that the sound isn't too loud. You can still talk to customers with it on, even on full blast, and still comfortably have a conversation without the noise being too distracting. And obviously when you finished your service or filing, you will just fold the filter into two pieces and then dispose of it in the bin. And that's all the dust from just one little nail tip. So yeah, it's definitely a good investment. If you're on the fence, I would recommend it. taftsproducts.co.uk sell them in the UK, and I'm really happy with this investment going forward. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.